Hello everybody, welcome to Planning PME Web Access. Today I will show you how to use the agenda view directly from your cell phone. So at first you will need to select the agenda view exactly like that. Then as you can see, you will have the possibility to browse by months to access the different information of your agenda. Then you will have the possibility to scroll day by day to access those information. But the agenda view offers many other possibilities. For example, you have also the possibility to select the date you would like to see at first when you open the agenda view. Once you select the date you are interested in, then it will start directly from this date and you will have access to the number of the week. You will have also the possibility to filter the resource. If here, for example, I choose Mary and I validate the information, I will have access to the schedule of Mary. If I remove the filter like that and I click on validate, I will have access to everybody's schedule. Then the agenda view offers three different possibilities. If I click on the 3 points, I will have the possibility to inform by email the person about a meeting. I will have also the possibility to see where the meeting is located on a map by accessing the Google Maps. And at the end, I will have the possibility to call the client directly from the agenda view. Then the agenda view offers another opportunity. From the plus above, you will have the possibility to click on new task or new unavailability and to create one of those. Then if you click on the filter above and if you choose task, customer, project, status, or even task status, you will have the possibility to filter your events. And to finish with all those opportunities, you will have the possibility to display any information you would like to see on this agenda view and to customize that. So thank you for your attention today and see you soon for new videos.